So it's important to know what your rights are under workers' compensation. So if you're injured at work, your claim against your employer is limited to getting a percentage of your wages paid if you're not able to go to work. Normally the max is about 67%, and you get your medical bills paid. But in a workers' compensation claim, you don't get mental anguish, emotional distress, all those sorts of things. So really, if something happens at work, you want to report it to your employer. And if your employer is paying for your lost wages or paying for your missing wages, paying for your medical bills, there's really probably not a whole lot more for an attorney to do. If your if your employer refuses to pay those things, which does happen, or sometimes what'll happen is the employer wants to be sneaky and they'll call you back in for about a day or so, put you on a light duty job, then they'll fire you and say, oh, well, we fired you because you were 5 minutes late. That's bogus, right? They fired you because you filed a workers' compensation claim. Now, not every claim that happens at work is a workers' compensation claim. Let's say you were on a construction site, and so you're there. Let's say you work for a drywall company, right? So there's a general contractor who's got everybody out there. You're there working for the drywall company, but there's a plumbing company working on site, and somebody from the plumbing company does something to injure you. You're probably not limited to workers' compensation against that plumbing company's employee and against that company. You can go and bring a tort claim, but you're going to need an attorney to do that. So, excellent question.